The benefits of buying hair extensions from a factory for your salon's profitability. The modern hair industry is evolving rapidly. Clients are more informed, expectations are higher, and competition among salons is stronger than ever. In this environment, success depends not only on styling expertise, but also on strategic sourcing decisions. One of the most powerful strategies salon owners can adopt is buying hair extensions from a factory. This decision influences cost structure, quality consistency, brand positioning, and long-term salon profitability. While many salons continue to rely on distributors, those that work directly with a hair extension factory often gain a measurable competitive advantage. This article explores why direct sourcing is more than a purchasing tactic. It is a strategic move that supports sustainable growth. https://thenachare.com/the-benefits-buying-hair-extensions-from-a-factory/ #buying hair extensions #human hair extensions supplier premium hair extension #wholesale hair extends